Good morning. I want to just give you a sneak peek of a new listing that I have located in the Saxony neighborhood, and that is located in between Arapahoe Road and Orchard Road, just east of I-25. This property is a little over 3,000 square feet, and it has a great, unique layout. So we have the garage, and there's a powder room through that little entryway. Upstairs, we have a very large loft, a bedroom and a bathroom, and the loft could be enclosed to accommodate a second bedroom upstairs if that would be, your preference. But what I love about this property is check out how huge the ceilings are. Stacks of windows that back up to the private patio. You can really get a sense of how magnificent this light streaming in this morning has been. On the main floor, we have a primary bedroom, very large, ample size. And then, of course, we have this office area that is enclosable with some French doors. The primary bedroom has a 5-piece bath that's associated with it. We have a gas fireplace, so we can cozy up to that during the winter months. I think that sounds great. And again, you just see how great this sunshine coming in this morning. These are east-facing windows, and then the patio is just on the northeast side. So that's going to be great in the heat of the summer to be able to sit out there, little alfresco dining. Now the kitchen has a pass-through, so I'm going to kind of turn around here. Has a nice pass-through, so great entertaining space. You could set out a buffet, and there's some built-ins that we can look at here in a moment. And then this is that private patio. This is a great lock and leave property because it doesn't have a yard that you have to maintain. The yard is maintained by the HOA. And look at the cabinet space. Great size. And it has a full pantry. I won't go over there now to open up the door. You have to come and see me at the open house. Anyway, I hope you will. One of the open houses is this Friday. That'll be tomorrow which is the 28th, from 3 to 5. And then there'll be open houses on Saturday and Sunday. As always, if you have a question, please give me a call. Or you can stop by the open house, which I hope you will. Come and check out this great property. Bye for now. I'm Debbie, and I'm selling Denver.